Grizzleby. Yes? Aren't you excited? Excited for what? Well, it's almost time for VentHaven 2026. Well, that's right. We're going this year, aren't we? That's right. Oh, wow. Yeah, I am excited. I can't wait to see my friends, both human and assistant, as Mr. Logan would say. Grizzleby. Yes? What's going on? Oh dear. What? I think you got the hiccups. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. I'm getting you some water. That didn't do diddly squat. Hold on. Boo! Was it too loud? Yeah. I'm sorry, Grizzleby. I meant to scare your hiccups away. Did it work? Beautifully. Fantastic. Well, I'm glad to see you're feeling better, Grizzleby. Now we can continue on with our audition. Audition? Yes, this year for junior and senior open mics at VentHaven, they're having us record videos so that we can participate in the showcases. Oh! And unfortunately, part of that time was to help you with your hiccups right now. I'm very sorry, associates at VentHaven. Oh, no worries. I'm sure they understand a hiccuping there. I'm very sure they do as well, Grizzleby. But it appears we need to make like birds again. Why do you keep using that pun? What do you mean? You always say it's time to make like birds because we need to exit. Thank you, Grizzleby. Me and my big mouth. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.